आज हम कुछ न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम्स करेंगे फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक इफेक्ट से संबंधित। सबसे पहली प्रॉब्लम है अपनी कि क्लासिकली इफ़ आई इज़ द इंटेंसिटी ऑफ लाइट शाइनिंग द मेटल्स, ए इज़ द एरिया over which the electron is confined, then the time should take an electron to gain energy is delta T is equal to delta E upon IA. Now calculate delta T if work function of the metal is 1.0 electron volt and the intensity of light is 1 Weber per centimeter square. Now assume अपन मान लें कि the electron is confined in the dimension of an atom, that is area is equal to 10 raised to the minus 20 meter square. So we get delta T is equal to 1 into 1.6 into 10 raised to the minus 19 upon 10 raised to the power 4, because I is given as 10 raised to the power 4 and area we have taken as 10 raised to the power minus 20 meter square. So delta T will be equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to the minus 3 second. So we can say that classically we expect a measurable time delay between shining of light and ejection of photoelectron. Next problem, find the energy of a 700 nanometer photon. Now the energy of a photon of wavelength lambda is E is equal to hc upon lambda. Putting these values, we know that h is equal to 6.63 into 10 raised to the minus 34, c is 3 into 10 raised to the power 8, and lambda is 700 into 10 raised to the minus 9 meter. So on solving, we get the energy is equal to 1.77 electron volt. Now next problem, the work function of copper is 4.4 electron volt. Will photo electrons be emitted when a photocathode of copper is illuminated by a visible light? We know that lambda is equal to hc upon phi. Now h is 6.63 into 10 raised to the minus 34, c is 3 into 10 raised to the power 8, and phi it is given that 4.4 electron volt. So putting these values, we get lambda is equal to 282 nanometer. Now the wavelength lies in the ultraviolet region. The visible light has wavelength 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer. Thus there will be no emission of photoelectrons from copper surface when illuminated by a visible light. Our next problem, the light from a monochromatic wavelength, suppose wavelength is given as 456 nanometer, source of intensity 10 raised to the minus 3 Weber per meter square, is incident on a cesium coated surface of a photocathode. The work function of cesium is 1.93 electron volt. Now if the quantum efficiency of the Ca surface is 0.5%, how many electrons are ejected per unit area per unit time? Now the energy of a photon of wavelength 456 nanometer is E is equal to h nu and nu is equal to c upon lambda. Therefore E is equal to hc upon lambda. इन सब के मान अपन रख दें hc upon lambda के. hc का मान है 10 raised to minus 1.24 into 10 raised to minus 6 electron volt meter. Lambda is given as 456 into 10 raised to minus 9 meter. तो E का मान आएगा 2.7 electron volt. Therefore photo electrons will be ejected from the C's surface. The number of photons incident per unit area per second is nu is equal to 1 upon h nu, sorry I upon h nu. I का मान अपने को दे रखा 10 to minus 3, h nu को अपन मान वैल्यू रख देंगे तो सिंप्लीफाई करने पर एन यू का मान आएगा 2.3 into 10 raised to the power 15 meter square per second. Now if quantum efficiency is eta, then the photoelectrons ejected per unit area per unit time is Ne is equal to eta into n nu, और इनका मान रखने पर, सॉल्व करने पर अपने पास NE का मान आ जाएगा कि NE विल बी इक्वल टू 1.2 इंटू 10⁻15 पर मीटर स्क्वायर पर सेकेंड। और नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम, कैलकुलेट द वर्क फंक्शन in EV units for sodium metal if its threshold wavelength for photoelectric emission is 680 nanometer. Now the work function in terms of threshold wavelength is phi is equal to hc upon lambda naught. So hc will be, h का मान अपने को पता ही है 6.63 into 10⁻34, c is 3 into 10⁸, तो इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो 1.24 इंटू 10⁻6 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट मीटर। सो नाउ फाई विल बी इक्वल टू एस का मान अपन ने ऊपर निकाला ही है 1.24 इंटू 10⁻6 अपॉन 680। वेवलेंथ ऑफ फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक एमिशन इज 680 नैनोमीटर। सो 680 इंटू 10⁻9 मीटर, तो ये अपने पास फाई का मान आ जाएगा 1.82 और फंक्शन का मान है 1.82 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट। More problem. In an experiment on photoelectric effect, when the photocathode is illuminated with light of wavelength 160 nanometer, the maximum kinetic energy of a photoelectron is found to be 3.6 electron volt. When the same photocathode is illuminated with light of wavelength 120 nanometer, the maximum kinetic energy is found to be 6.2 electron volt. Now determine Planck's constant. Now we know that work function is the same for the two cases using Einstein photoelectric effect equation. We know that hc upon lambda 1 is equal to phi plus kmax 1 and hc upon lambda 2 is equal to phi plus kmax 2. Subtracting first from second, we find that hc into lambda 1 minus lambda 2 upon lambda 1 into lambda 2. So this will be equal to kmax 2 minus kmax 1, or h is equal to lambda 1 lambda 2 kmax into kmax 2 minus kmax 1 upon c into lambda 1 minus lambda 2. और इन सब के मान रखने पर lambda 1 is 1.6 into 10⁻7 meter, lambda 2 will be 1.2 into 10⁻7 meter, और kmax is 6.2, kmax 2 minus kmax 1 will be 6.2 minus 3.6 into 1.6 into 10⁻19 upon c is 3 into 10⁸8, and lambda 1 minus lambda is 1.6 into 1.2 into 10⁻7 meter.